Hi everyone, Von Marie here and welcome to the Cat Scrappiness YouTube channel. I have a video today and it is a shaker card. So here are some of the products I will be using. The new Crafty Quokkas, and I will be using the coordinating dies, some purple glitter paper, and this heart tag. And so let's get started. So I started stamping the girl Quokka, but she isn't who I will be using for the card, and so you'll get to see her all colored up. And I am using the stamp image. I really love that image from the new stamp set, and so I will stamp that, and then I will be actually using the boy, or I guess it's a boy. It doesn't have a bow, so I think he's a boy. And he is the one that will be stamping all the flowers. And so here we go. He's all colored up, and I love his expression. It makes me smile. So I colored him in with my Copic markers, and I will be using the die to cut him out, and just some simple coloring, and they're really easy to color. That's what I like. So here are, I'm just adding some cheeks, and here are my images cut out. And then I'm going to pick some purple glitter paper. I like the dark purple paper here for my shaker card. And then the sequin mix that I'm using is Purple Seaside Sprinkle Mix, and it actually has some shells in it that I will be taking out. And this is a great mix. I already made a card earlier, and so you get about, it depends on how much sequins you want to use, but you get about 2 cards. I like a lot of sequins, so I'm taking out the shells here, and my embellishment tray really helps me out because I will just pour them in just like that into this packaging. And my paper is cut to A2 size, so 4 by 5 1/4. And I'm just cutting off the top there. I do not need it. I will use some tape adhesive. And so I put my sequins in there, and then I'm taping the back, but I also realized that I missed a heart that I wanted to put on there on my paper. So from the heart tag you get a separate heart, and that is what I was missing. Luckily I didn't seal my packaging too well. So here is what I realized, that I'm gonna have to reopen it and place my heart in there. So, which wasn't a big deal. I would have redid it if I had to, or you can always put the heart on top of the acetate there, or packaging, I mean. So showing you all the bits there. So that's the heart that I want, and I use the blue glitter paper for that. So I'm just gonna, I opened it up and I'm just gonna glue it in really quick. So that is how I fixed that problem there. So I will seal it back up, this time really good, and I will glue it to an A2 card base. So I love all those bits there. Cat Scrappiness has so many sequin mixes, and I am just excited when I see all those clay pieces. So fun. So there is my Quokka and stamp image, and I'm going to be stamping a sentiment. It's going to say, I believe, happy crafting. So this would be great to send to a crafty friend. And I'm going to heat emboss it with my Cat Scrappiness tool here. I love this powder tool. I keep it on my desk. And then I will use some white ink and white embossing powder. That is my favorite way to use the white, is with white ink. And I will heat that up and cut it down. And then it's ready to be glued to my card. And so is my Quokka and my image, my stamp image. And do you enjoy making shaker cards? I hope you found this card to be easy and fun. These are probably my favorite kind of shaker cards, and I have fun, and it's easy, which I like. I don't have so much patience for the foam, but I do like a good foam shaker card as well. And I'm just figuring out where to put my images. And that pretty much finishes my card. I hope you like it. I had so much fun making it, and this is actually my second shaker using this mix, so I will have to replenish it and send out a bunch of these crafty Quokkas to friends. And that is it. Thank you so much for joining me today, and have a wonderful day.